Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi, welcome to week 1 of Battle of the Stitches, June of 2025. Just real quick, Battle of the Stitches is a collab that Teresa from Critters Crochet and I came up with together, and we're working through the book 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter. We pick a stitch a month and we show you how to do the stitch. We come up with our own designs using that stitch, and then there's voting to see which project would get the most votes, and we do a giveaway at the end of the month. So if you were interested in all of the details of that, I do have a video in my description where I explain the whole thing in more detail. We have 2 people competing with us this month. Each month we're going to have up to 2 people who compete with us, and this month it is Sid from Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations and Thomas from Totally Fierce Crochet. And we also have other people who have said they're going to follow our Battle of the Stitches schedule alongside of us, but not be part of the competition. Some of those people are doing it on our Facebook group, and you are welcome to join our Facebook group just for watching, just for the social aspect, or also to show us what you can make with the stitch. We love that. And then others are doing it with videos. They're content creators, and they're going to be creating videos to show what they can make with the stitch, but they're just not going to be in the competition with us. So if you wanted to search the hashtag Battle of the Stitches for more people who are doing these videos, that would be great. I'm just going to list the ones that are competing with us in my description. But this month, we are doing the double crunch stitch. That's how it looks. You might see some little writing there, but it's not, whatever that writing was, it's not. I was just kind of putting some notes in there. But this is how it looks. It's a wonderful stitch. We've all been saying how inspired we feel by this stitch. Me too. I feel very inspired by it too. And I'm very excited because right away when I saw it, I knew what I wanted to make. And so I've already come up with what I want to make, and I'm really excited to share that. This week, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make the stitch. I put that in a separate video because I like to have a playlist that is just stitches, not like talking videos like this, where we're chatting and talking about the collab. So look for that today, and I'll try to link that at the end of my video as well if you want to have that to click on. And then next week, we will give a sneak peek of what we've made, and you guys can take guesses. We love that. And then the following week, Thursday, or always on Wednesday. If I said Thursday, I'm sorry, I mean Wednesday. We do all of these on Wednesday. The following Wednesday, we show what we've made, and we put a tutorial up on how to make what we've created. And then the last week, we'll do a live, and we will see who's project got the most votes, and then we'll do a giveaway for it. I'll talk more about how to vote and how to be a part of the giveaway in the video where I show my final project. And if you were interested in the details on that, again, refer to my video in the description where I give all the details about it. I know a lot of you have already seen and participated in this, so I didn't want to go through every excruciating detail in this video. But anyway, I thank you for watching, and I hope that you'll join in the fun, whether it be just joining the Facebook group or participating either in the Facebook group or making your own videos or both. And have a great day. Bye.